Hey bestie, listen up. You know how some people get superpowers from coffee? Well, I got my superpower from lashes. Yep, I gave up mascara, and now my lashes are longer than my to-do list. Seriously, I went from average lashes to wait. Are you wearing extensions? In just a few days. No mascara, and no glue, no drama, just oils, patience, and a little bit of magic. You're gonna wanna hear this, because I'm sharing the secret to lashes that make you look like you just woke up like this. And it's not mascara. Step 1. Cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. Before we start anything, we've got to get those lashes clean, girl. Like super clean. If your lashes have leftover mascara, dirt, and last night's makeup, they're not gonna grow, sorry. First, grab micellar water and remove all that makeup and dirt. Second, use a little baby shampoo to clean along the lash line with a Q-tip. Be gentle but thorough. Treat them like they're your best friends. Third, pat dry with a towel. No rubbing, just gently patting. Your lashes won't grow if they're covered in leftover makeup. Clean them like you're setting them up for their glow up. Step 2. The lash growth oil that's basically magic in a bottle. Okay, now for the fun part. The magic oil that will have your lashes growing like it's their full-time job. I'm talking about a DIY lash serum that works like magic, but without the crazy stuff. Here's the simple formula. 1 tablespoon castor oil, the classic for lash growth. Your lashes will love it. 2 drops rosemary oil, like a wake-up call for your lashes. Get to work, sis. 1 TSP almond oil, for softness and shine, because who wants dry lashes? Mix this up, pour it into an empty mascara tube, make sure it's clean, and apply it every night from root to tip. Don't skip it, consistency is key here. Bonus, warm it up in your hands first. It's like giving your lashes a warm hug, and it helps them absorb better. You'll feel like you're giving your lashes a spa treatment. Step 3. Lash brushing, giving them a morning workout. This step is simple, but it's a game changer. Every morning, I grabbed a clean spoolie and brushed my lashes upward. It's like giving them a mini workout. This helps get your lashes moving and trains them to curl naturally. Who needs a lash curler when you've got a spoolie and a dream? So, after a few days of doing this routine, my lashes were like, wait, we're growing. They were longer, softer, and had that natural curl. No mascara, no extensions, just pure, natural lash love. So yeah, that's how I went from having short lashes to feeling like a lash queen. Say goodbye to mascara, take care of your lashes, and get ready to blink with confidence. You're welcome.